here with Dr. Leo Yang that just completed a double arch roto case with 6 implants on the bottom, or 5 implants on, 6 implants on the bottom and 5 on top. And six.
He's placed all 6.
6 and 6. 6 and 6.
Yes,
Correct.
correction.
Correct. Dr. Yang, how was your experience today with the guides, with the CHROME guides, placing the implants and then picking it up with it, and then the roto, and then the final product, the outcome?
That's a lot of questions first,
Okay.
but let me try to remember to answer all the questions.
Okay.
So starting from the beginning, from the planning process, it was just fascinating. Just because I'm a digital dentist anyways, It was very fascinating to do all this and look at this, since was my first case with Roe. So I mean, I think that was really interesting. And then of course, once I saw it in hand with everything that came to me, it was just crazy. Now, of course, there's nervousness because it's my first case. Then going to the actual surgery today now, I mean, going in, I wasn't expecting so much support.
Okay.
I was more expecting to be on my own with my assistant. And that's what I was expecting. But the fact that there's so many moving parts, and when you talk about using roto also, you're adding on top of that, besides just doing something for the first time and not sure how things fit properly. And the great thing with Thomas is that he was so hands-on in regards to helping us through the way and walking us through that. It definitely helped us make the case much faster. I mean, I don't know what time it is now, maybe 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock, yep.
I'm sure if it was on our own, I'll still be starting the lower arch now, since we started 9 o'clock in the morning.
9, yeah.
So
we pretty much started around 10
Yeah.
after anesthesia and getting things ready.
But the step by step, the
Right.
support there in regards to direction, giving direction, it's really critical. And I thought that was very important, especially for people who was first time doing it. And
Right.
so my suggestion now to other doctors is that hey, if you want to do it on your own, sure, go for it. But I'm a little bit older now. I'm a little bit lazier now, maybe. I feel like, what though? It's okay. It's worth the money, whatever that is, to pay someone to come in to help you, because I would tell you that your process is probably going to be more smoother.
Yep.
There's less headaches. And the bottom line is it's the outcome.
Yeah.
And it's patient walking out happy. And so that's the end point. And so I feel like with that, the support from the role to Thomas being the in-house lab tech, or even chairside assistant, if you talk about that,
Right.
was very important. And so it's just detour that, not everything was smooth during today. I mean, Thomas and I know that, some of the implants didn't engage. It was spinning in the beginning, and so we had to change our plans. And a lot of times, sometimes when you have that extra person, it's really good to help you
Right.
with that, so that things stay calm, smooth.
Yeah, you were fantastic.
And maybe Thomas can maybe just speak on his behalf, but I don't think the patient sensed any of that change.
Absolutely. Yeah, he didn't
I don't
sense it
think
at all.
he sensed there was
He
any
was very
issues,
calm.
and he was calm, and I think that's part of what's important.
Right. Yeah,
So I don't know if I
touched.
touched base on it. And
Yeah.
bottom line, the outcome was that I know digital dentistry, as time goes on, it's going to get better and better.
Yes.
But I can tell you that right now, with what we have today, I mean, planning it digitally to have everything fit, it was pretty close
Right.
to how things are.
Yes.
And I know that down the road,
It's
it's
gonna
going to
get
get better and better. Less of that's adjustment, and I know it's just a matter of time.
Yes.
So just be patient, guys, ladies. but it's pretty darn good right now.
Listen, thank you so much for having us here, and thank you for doing Roto and Row with CHROME. We appreciate your business. We look forward to doing a lot more cases with you.
Thank you.
Seeing that you're in that age bracket where we relax. and have a good
Lazy.
time. Lazy.
No, smarter.
Smarter, right. But we really appreciate your business, and we look forward to doing a lot more cases with you, Doc.
Thank you, the Roll team. Thank you.